welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, in case you are new here. As you can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my dishwasher. And you might be wondering, Vanessa, why do I need to clean my dishwasher? Doesn't that do the washing for me? I just find that water buildup can get a little bit scummy, especially if you live somewhere where there's hard water. I just feel like it can get a little bit gross, kind of the way that it can get in your washing machine. You get that smell. So I just like to clean my dishwasher about twice a year, and it's really, really easy. You don't need to go out and buy anything special. You likely already have these two items that you're going to use to clean it in your pantry already. So let me get right into it and show you what to do. First thing you're going to need is vinegar. Don't go buying anything special. All you need is plain white vinegar. This will do the trick. You're only going to need a cup of it, and I'll show you what you're going to do. So you're just going to pour 1 cup of vinegar into a measuring cup. And then go ahead and open up your dishwasher. And open up your top rack. And just go ahead and sit this right on top. Close the dishwasher. And you're going to run it. These are the options that I have on my dishwasher. I'm going to pick the most aggressive wash, and then I'm gonna say high temp, and then just hit start. Okay, after that runs through on a complete cycle, then you're going to take some baking soda and sprinkle it all over the dishwasher. Make sure you pour it on the bottom, along the top rack. This is going to brighten it, clean it, disinfect it, and give it that nice fresh smell. After you sprinkle it through, make sure you run the dishwasher once more, and then you're all done. Your dishwasher will be nice and clean for about 6 months, I'd say. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like cleaning content, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!